welcome to our live stream of ACME Laser. I'm Estella.
I'm Jackie.
Today we will introduce our company and the machine to everyone. This is the exhibition hall in our factory. Now let's go in and have a look. Our exhibition hall shows some achievements of our company, some cutting samples, and some machine introduction. Please look here. Founded in 2016, ACME Laser is a national high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production, and the laser of cutting machine. Based on customer needs, ACME Laser focuses on the R&D and production of laser cutting machines and provides customers around the world with intelligent integrated solution for laser tube processing. Please look here. These are our cutting samples. Our laser cutting machine can cut all metals such as stainless steel, carbon steel, brass, aluminum, and other materials, and is widely in use in automobile manufacturing, sports equipment, and furniture, and other fields. When the laser cutting machine is cutting, not only the cutting quality is high, but the cutting efficiency is also high. And please, everybody, look here. These are all major domestic and foreign brands that have a good cooperative relationship with us. Therefore, the quality of our products is guaranteed. I want to know if you have a general understanding of our company. And next, let's go to another place and have a look at how our laser cutting machine cuts. Okay, let's go. Our factory covers 45,000 square meters and including R&D workshop, manufacturing workshop, and production workshop. Our company has more than 200 talents of various types and has sold more than 2,000 laser cutting machines. Our products are sold well in 60 countries and regions around the world. The above is my brief introduction of our company, and then Jackie will introduce our machine to everyone. Okay, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Jackie from ACME. I'm glad to introduce machine to you. Let's go. The machine we will introduce is 1617D. Which is an oil, long and heavy equipment independently developed by our company. The bed, choke, and other main components are independently developed. You can take a look at this our bed. The bed is independently developed and processed by ACME. The structure is reborn and has a service life of 20 years, which effectively guarantees the accuracy and stability of the cutting. This is a gallery rack, having YYC, recognized as one of the few companies in the world that can produce the highest precision linear guides, and it's also one of the companies with the highest market share in Europe and Asia. Let's see the laser head. Yeah, this is a cutting head. It adapts a new generation of old folks cutting head from Swiss company Retools, equipped with a built-in linear driver. The head is equipped with board cord, dust pour, and anti-reflection optometry elements, and a hair control sensor. This is our company truck. This is a 4-stroke pneumatic truck, independently developed by our company, which can climb various shapes of pace. It adapts an 8-cylinder structure and has a accompanying force twice. That of ordinary chips. The thin tube is clamped without deformation, and the steer tubes has an automatic sinking function when cutting, and the service life is longer. The truck is rotated without manual adjustment and can independently identify and climb all kinds of paths. It's independently developed and produced by ACME company with after-sales guarantee. It can be seen from the cutting effect that is machine has a wide range of applications. It's suitable for pie processing, animal husbandry, hardware, furniture, sports equipment, automobile phone, test pay, shearers, and other industries. At the same time, the machine can have different materials and different techniques. It's a very cost-efficient equipment for cutting with a wide range of tube and various complicated processes, and it has very high market share in the Chinese market.